Can't Hurt Me, Master Your Mind and Defy the Odds is a memoir by David Goggins, a retired Navy SEAL and ultramarathon runner. Goggins shares a story of overcoming incredible adversity to achieve his goals. He emphasizes the importance of mental toughness and grit in overcoming any challenge. Goggins had a difficult childhood. He was born into poverty and faced racism and abuse. He dropped out of high school and joined the Army, where he was assigned to the paratroopers. He later qualified as a Navy SEAL, one of the most elite military units in the world. Goggins has completed some of the most challenging endurance events on the planet, including the Badwater 135 ultramarathon, a 135-mile race through Death Valley. He has also completed the Hell Week training program for Navy SEALs 3 times. In Can't Hurt Me, Goggins shares his insights on mental toughness and how to overcome any challenge. He emphasizes the importance of discipline, self-belief, and perseverance. He also shares his own personal experiences and struggles, which are both inspiring and motivating. Here are some of the key takeaways from Can't Hurt Me. Mental toughness is more important than physical strength. Anyone can achieve their goals, regardless of their circumstances. Discipline is the key to overcoming any challenge. Self-belief is essential for success. Perseverance is the key to overcoming setbacks. Can't Hurt Me is a powerful and inspiring book that will motivate you to achieve your goals and overcome any challenge. If you are looking to improve your mental toughness and grit, I highly recommend this book. Here is a quote from the book that I find particularly inspiring. "Themend is the most powerful weapon on the planet, and once you control your mind, you can control anything."